Yo, what's going on YouTube fams? I'm your guy Rez, and I am back again with y'all on my channel for another dope video yet again. Welcome. So in this video today, I'm gonna be doing another unboxing with y'all because I know y'all love these unboxings, but I just received this package in the mail not too long ago, and I'm very excited because this is from the Hundreds. And for those of you who don't know, the Hundreds is one of my favorite brands, streetwear brands. It's a brand that's based out of Los Angeles, California. They've been around for a very long time, guys. And you know, you see a lot of streetwear brands come and go, but with this brand, it's been around for a very long time. So I am going to be doing the unboxing with my friend here, Old Reliable. And as I've always mentioned before when I do these unboxings with y'all, be careful, these are really sharp. Just one thing that I do want to note, I actually picked up a bunch of stuff from their website during the semi-annual sale, which is currently going on. Today is the last day as I'm filming this, but you know, they have these sales every now and then where everything was marked down. So everything that I'm about to share with y'all in this package has been marked down. Looks like they threw in some, you know, free little stickers right here, which is always nice. So looking at everything, looks like everything is in here, which is good. And I have a total of 6 items that I'm about to share with y'all. So why don't we dig in one by one as I break down each item for y'all. Why don't we start off with these? So I got 2 t-shirts first, guys. Here, as you can see, one is yellow, one is orange. These were marked down. Let me take these out the baggie. But the first item is this dope tee that I got right here. They had this t-shirt in many different colors. I believe they had it in like a green, yellow, and I believe a white and black, but I decided to get this one in the yellow just because I have so many black tees, guys. You know, it says Los Hundreds, which it has like a vulture right there. You have the printed Los Hundreds with that bird right there, and just out there in that like dry land, says since 1980. And then on the back you have the atom bomb right there, which it's famously the brand is known for. You could see the Hundreds right there, size extra large, guys. So it's pretty cool. You got the little tags, still brand new. And yeah, this is pretty much nothing too crazy about this tee. You know, like I said, I just wanted to add some little variety to my wardrobe right here with this t-shirt. So I wanted to go with a like kind of different color you don't really see me wear too often. All right, so the second shirt is another t-shirt that I got from them, and this one, guys, is pretty cool because I really like the back hit of this t-shirt so much. So as you can see, it's an orange tee, and you have right there, it says the 100 since 1980, and it looks to be like embroidered in this like blue finish. It's almost like a sky blue, almost looks purple. I don't know if my camera can capture that, but it's actually blue. And on the back, it's really cool. You got this really beautiful hit right here of like just this garden, which looks nice, man. It looks to be like in a desert, just different types of plants here. And then you just have this really nice, like, almost looks like a watercolor mark of the scenic sky right here as the sun sets. So it's really cool. I like this design. It says the 100 since 1980 on the back. Everything on the back is graphic printed on, so there's no embroidery, but on the front you have this, which is embroidered on right there in the upper chest. So that's a pretty nice finish. This is also a size extra large, guys. One thing that I will add for t-shirts by the Hundreds, in my opinion, is that they do run true to size. They're not like your slim fit like t-shirts that you see mostly today. You know, I know there's like 2 types of extra larges. There's like the slim athletic extra large, and then there's the traditional classic extra large boxy tees or whatever. So there's definitely different types of sizes, but I will say with the Hundreds, their stuff fits more true to size, like classic, you know, t-shirt sizes would. I share with y'all these 2 pickups right here. I've been eyeing these hats for a while, but I didn't want to pay full price. I know, call me a cheapo if you will. I'm guilty as charged, but like I said, man, I'm all about finding deals. So this is a dope hat. It's a hat that I got from them. And this hat was available in 3 different colors, if I might add. I decided to go with this one just because I don't have too many hats with this color combo right here. And it's their like mascot, like of the hyena that they use. The Hundreds have used like hyenas in their like designs many times in the past. So when I saw this, I was like, yo, that is fire. So it is like a hyena right there, like a fierce looking hyena, as you can see, with the bone in his mouth. This is a 7.5, but it's like a black and yellow hyena right there. And on the back you have like the hundreds design on the back right there, and that red, white, and blue finish. It's embroidered. And this is a new era hat, guys. And you have, flip that over, got the yellow new era flag, and you have a gray undervisor right there. So, you know, these are pretty cool, man. I really like these. I like this hat a lot. This is pretty dope to have. They had this one, they had another one that was like, it was like a blue upper, and then it had like a black one. That was actually gonna be my first choice, but then I have a lot of blue and black hat combos already, so I wanted to get something a little bit different. So I thought this was dope. Yeah, but this is a freaking fire hat right here. So also have the yellow button on the top of the hat. So that's that. And then I got this other hat. This hat is really cool too, because I really like this design, and I'm really like, I like hyenas. Like, hyenas are an interesting animal, you know, so I thought it was pretty cool like when I saw this. So this is another hyena hat right here, as you can see, but this is actually made with corduroy, so it's kind of got that like vintage look and feel to it. See, this is a snapback, you can see right there, and you have the hundreds since 1980, and then you got this like this FTW, DIY, PMA right there, and then you have these like herd of hyenas just running towards something, man. They're probably going for like the kill or something. But yeah, it's really cool. I like this because it's, you know, corduroy, and I don't have too many corduroy hats, so definitely nice to add some variety to my wardrobe and collection here. So the fact that they have hyenas on here makes it also very desirable for me. You know, I know I'm weird like that, but yeah, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool that I have this right here, and it fits cool. You know, it doesn't fit like small or anything like that. It's adjustable, so really dope. Showing you those, I have two more smaller pickups here that I have, and these were just kind of like added. I bought these because I wanted to get free shipping, and also I thought it was pretty cool to have these because, you know, like these are pins. So I got two pins right here. As you can see, I have like the atom bomb pin, and then I have a pin which looks to be like of a hyena. So it says strength in numbers, and it's just got this hyena with a spike collar chain right there around his neck. So this is really cool, man. Like, I got these because you know, pins are getting really popular, and I wanted to add some pins to some of my hats. Who knows, maybe I'll add this to the hyena hats that I got, you know, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, you know, these two pins basically made me get free shipping. So, you know, I just decided to pull the trigger. Like, everything on here was marked down, so it was pretty cheap. I didn't really spend, like, I didn't break my bank getting these, and I wanted to add some like variety to my wardrobe, and you know what better way to do it with one of my favorite streetwear brands, right? Anyways, those are my pickups, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. Also share the channel, you know, and share the video, of course, and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate everybody. But let me know in the comment section below what you think about my haul from the 100 semi-annual sale. You know, did you like it? Did you not? Did you cop something? And if you did, what did you cop? Because I've been I'm really curious to see what you guys cop. So anyways, guys, that's gonna end it for me. Appreciate y'all. Boy Rez, we'll see y'all in the next video. We out. Peace.